In this video, I'm going to show you how to join groups in the Instagram mobile app. Let's open the Instagram app. In the top right corner, click on this message icon. In the search bar, search for the group you are looking for. Let's search CNN, for example. Now your group name should appear in the Channels section. Remember to look for your group in the Channels section. If you go to the top icons, it will not work. This is the group I am looking for. Let's click on the group. After entering the group, you should see a menu at the bottom of your screen. In this menu, click on Join. Here, we have successfully joined a group. Following these steps, you can join as many groups as you like.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.